Hello and welcome to the HGC Gamers Club. My name is Daniel and this video is not in the norm. Okay, so let me move some stuff here. I know you're like, what is going on? But let's take a look here. Here we go. Let me turn this thing on. There we go. Okay, so the wife made me buy one of these fake fireplaces. Okay, pretty cool. Puts out heat, stuff like that. Let me shut this off. Okay, now it's not bad. I think it was under 200. I think it was. But now, me being a guy, I can't burn shit anymore. Alright, so pardon the mess a little bit. We're going to come out to the back. Oh, there's the swing set that we did a while back. Alright, so to satisfy my manly need to burn shit, I decided, that's a junk. I decided, since my neighbor moved and I got this bench here, okay, and it's solid metal, weighs 50 tons. Had to have help getting it back here, but I decided that I'm going to use this space right here. Hold on, let me get back here so you can see it a little better. I decided I'm going to use this space right here to build me a forge, basically for melting aluminum and stuff like that. I know there's a lot of videos on there, but this is for me, and just because I like to video stuff, I'm gonna actually start videoing what I do, and I'm sure there's a million videos out there showing how to do this and stuff, but I actually did go to school and learn a lot of this stuff firsthand, so I do know what I'm talking about. But even though I will be videoing me making up my setup, just for giggles and fun, I decided I would start a video series, not just about me doing my hobby stuff and getting my manly urge to burn stuff out of my hair, because I'm a pyro at heart. I decided I would start a video series on kind of like, what would you say, a survivalist series? Rebuilding mankind? Why not? I will show you how to start from scratch, not using a single penny whatsoever, to build a forge, to melt metals all the way up to iron and all of that good stuff without costing one single red cent out of your pocket. Okay, now what I'm doing here is going to cost me a little bit of money, and I'll talk to you about that as I get it done and actually start doing it. That metal there, that's aluminum. I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to melt that down or just use it as a little walkway here or something. Who knows? I did pick up this old fireplace thing. That's all solid cast iron. I figured I might use that as a heat guard for something I might put up against my shed here that I built a long time ago. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to set up a foundry station for melting aluminum and whatnot, casting and stuff. I'll show you how to make your own casting materials from scratch that won't cost you a single red cent. And I'm sure you can probably look up a lot of videos online for the same kind of stuff. But, you know, I know one thing, and this is a fact. You can watch all the videos you want on a particular topic on YouTube, and sometimes not get the information you need because they're not showing all the details, or they leave stuff out. And me, I like to video everything solid, complete, and unedited for the most part. But what I'm basically saying is sometimes you get a better perspective and understanding from somebody else. Maybe you just understand them better. Who knows? But I thought it would be a fun project. I like burning stuff, obviously. So this is my little hobby thing. I'm going to make my own little playlist for it. If you don't like the playlist name, suggest a new name. But yeah, that's basically it. Who knows, maybe we'll remake this using aluminum. Yeah, this is a old composter. It's all plastic. Yeah, but that would be maybe something for some other day. I might even just throw that away, but I'm thinking I might want to actually remake that using aluminum and just recast some parts. But yeah, primarily we're going to start with making a forge and making the tools needed for the forge. And then once I get that going and I've got everything set up for my personal hobby, then I'll start making some actual videos how to start from scratch without spending a single dime and build a foundry for melting everything from aluminum to hardcore steel without costing you a single red cent. Sound fun? Yeah, I think so. I think it'd be fun, and I can totally do it and show you how to do it with just what's in your backyard. And I'm not talking about finding barrels in your backyard. I'm not talking about finding tables in your backyard. I'm not talking about finding cast iron plates in your backyard. I'm not talking about finding aluminum ladders in your backyard or aluminum siding or in your backyard. I'm not talking about finding all of that stuff. I'm talking about just what's in your backyard regardless of where you live in the world. And whatever. I'm going to show you, even if you take off up into the mountains and take nothing more than your clothing, I'll teach you how to set up and start and build a foundry that would allow you to actually create and build a civilization if you had enough people with you to survive. Okay, so I think that's gonna about do it. Although I really would have liked about 10 minutes worth of video. Yeah, I think that would be good. And who knows, maybe we'll do some other stuff. But yeah, for now, I think this will do it. Oh gosh, look at that, I got some junk over there. And a fig tree, for crying out loud, growing out of a small spot between the dirt and the cement. Now I gotta cut that out. Hey, it's even got figs on it. Look at that. Let's see if I can zoom in on one of them. Look at that. That's a fig. Yeah. There we go. Crazy. Yeah. Figs growing in my backyard. Oh, here we go. We got a nice one here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to let this get any bigger though. Yeah. Yeah, it's an old roller tiller. Had to clean up stuff. Yeah, see? We'll probably melt this ladder down. Yeah, I think that's going to be probably one of my first meltdown jobs. yeah, so I'm going to build a foundry. I'll probably put it here, and then I got another barrel like this that I'll probably use for a large meltdown container for melting down large stuff. And we'll set that up probably over here somewhere-ish, so that I can put large items in it and melt it down into a smaller for ingots and whatnot to actually use in the regular foundry. And I'll probably set up some other stuff. I'm going to definitely have to set up a overhead canopy of some sort to keep the rain off of this stuff, but we'll go through that as we start. Right now I'm just in collecting phase. So yeah, rather than just ramble on forever, I think we'll just cut it off at this point and call this an announcement of a new playlist. Stay safe, happy gaming, everybody. And no, I'm not changing the theme of the channel. This is just a hobby of mine. Later, guys.